Hiya crafty folks, Amy here with amyswares, and today I'm going to encourage you to use those paper scraps. Now this is a new to me die set that my friend Christine generously sent me. I'm so excited to use it in today's card, but I have this folder of a bunch of brown scraps. So some are kind of cream colored, some are craft, some are brown. This is how I store my paper scraps, and I do find that this system works really well for me, just to kind of have different somewhat color coded folders, and I find myself reaching for them. Here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're headed, but it couldn't be more simple. Anybody could do this. This could be for beginners or just a fun kind of easy way to use up some paper scraps that you have sitting around in your crafty stash. So I was so excited to use these. She had accidentally bought a second set and generously offered to send it to me. So I was very excited to play with it. I absolutely love the design and all the detail that it die cuts out. So I just basically picked scraps. I was originally thinking using the 3 different sizes, but then I ended up using all 4. Now this is my Pokey Tool from my friend Judy. She just recently sent me this mushroom one, which is so fun. And I was originally going to poke out all the little holes, but you can see just dragging it along just popped them all right out, which is super satisfying. So little pro tip there. Or maybe you have one of those special brushes that will kind of pop out all the little die cut pieces. Anyway, it made a confetti sort of mess, but a messy desk means I was having fun crafting. So you'll see in a moment that my desk was definitely covered. So if I ever come off as if I'm a neat crafter, I'm not. This is the reality here, right here, folks. This is what my desk looks like. So I do clean up kind of as I go in stages, but it is 100% hot mess express every single time I craft. Some of the crafters I follow are just so neat and tidy. Yeah, that's not me. So if I come off that way, it's a farce. I'm really not a neat and tidy crafter. Anyway, I have this awesome stamp set that another friend sent me, Marie. It's just so many generous people in my life. I'm so thankful for all of you. But anyway, this stamp set is inspired by my friend Marian Emberson, who is another crafter YouTuber. She's hilarious. She's in the UK. And I decided to make this happy birthday card. I was originally thinking I was going to use this little star just to add a little something extra, but it kept sticking to my fingers, so I gave it up and I thought, hey, I'll just use bling instead. So I bust out my card bling. This is from Colorful Life Designs. There's actually over 100 colors in the shop now, which is just total crazy pants. But I'm looking through all the brown options. There's so many brown ones even now that I had to kind of figure out which one was best. I deliberated over this for a little bit, but I did end up choosing the best one and put it through in an odd number, like a little smattering across the front of the card. And I was able to kind of put some on that little white happy birthday rectangle, just basically where I was going to put the little stamp star instead. So if you do shop for anything at a Colorful Life Designs, be sure to use my coupon AmyFan10 and you'll save 10% on your complete order. But how simple is this, guys? I mean, get a cool nested die set. You've probably got tons in your stash. Shop your crafty stash and use up those paper scraps. So it feels good to not waste the stuff that we have sitting around, and you can make a bunch of cards. And how great would this work for a masculine card? You could custom color this to someone's favorite colors. This would work for anyone. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you to all my friends for all these amazing gifts that you send me. I love it. And I think of you when I use them. So thanks for spending time with me. I will catch you next time. Bye.